What is a VA loan? VA loans are a top military benefit available to veterans, service members, and surviving spouses. Even with imperfect credit, it can help you qualify for a low-cost mortgage when buying or refinancing. In this video, we'll talk details about VA loans, including qualification requirements, benefits, and additional benefits for disabled veterans. The VA loan is not only a government loan, but also backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. The VA provides a guarantee to private lenders who offer VA loans, allowing lenders to offer no down payment loans to eligible veterans. The eligibility requirements for VA loans may be less strict due to this guarantee. Typically, VA loans do not necessitate a minimum down payment, although you may need to cover some of the difference if the purchase price surpasses the appraised value. However, if the home price exceeds the county loan limit and is subject to VA loan limits, you will need to provide a down payment. Want to know more? Call us at 800-605-3128 and let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.